With remote control parking for the BMW Automatic Maneuvering Assistant, you can park your BMW standing outside using the My BMW app on your iPhone. To do so, a BMW Digital Key Plus needs to be active on your iPhone. Check out our other how-to video about creating and sharing a BMW Digital Key Plus. Also, make sure Bluetooth is activated. When you drive past parked vehicles at low speed, the system is scanning for parking spaces. Simply press the Parking Assistant button in the center console to enter parking view. Parking spaces are recognized when you have passed them completely. Select a parking maneuver on the control display or remotely using the My BMW app. The display suggests parking spaces and maneuvers to you. Choose one by clicking on the control display to start the automatic parking assistant. Tight spot. To continue with remote control parking, for example into narrow parking spots, push the brake, engage the parking brake, click Parking with My BMW app, and get out of the vehicle. Open the My BMW app and click on Remote Control Parking. Here you can also select your parking maneuver and the parking direction. Safety first. As a confirmation you are using the remote control voluntarily, tilt your phone forward and back to move the slider exactly into the display targets. Ready? Press and hold the blue parking button. Your BMW starts maneuvering into the selected parking space. Watch out! Make sure to watch the parking maneuver at all times close to the vehicle. In top view, you get more info from the parking assistant sensors. As soon as you let go of the blue button, the car stops. Press and hold again to resume. The app tells you when the car has reached its final parking position. Tap Finish, switch the car off, and lock it. You can also select a recorded path of the automatic maneuvering assistant in the remote parking menu if your car is in the relevant starting location. Or with manual mode, you can park remotely, straight, forwards or backwards. If you have parked out remotely, leave the car running to get in. Safe travels! Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. Enjoy flexibility. BMW Connected Drive upgrades equip applicable BMW models with additional features. To enable Connected Drive upgrades, your BMW needs the appropriate configuration. So, log into your car with your BMW ID and make sure you're the main user. Let's go window shopping. In BMWs with operating system 8, go to All Apps, Connected Drive Store and browse all Connected Drive upgrades for your vehicle. Select one to learn more about the feature, your benefits, and the prices for available offers. Free trials and special test offers give you the chance to try out a feature to see if you'd like to keep it. Select the desired offer to book the upgrade. Go on to complete the order by scanning a QR code or seamlessly with your My BMW app. Both ways lead you to the Connected Drive store online. Open the push notification in the My BMW app and click the link to be logged in seamlessly. In the online store, your shopping cart is already filled with your selected upgrade. Simply review your order, your payment method, and your billing details in the checkout screen. Accept the terms and conditions and complete your order. Done deal. Most Connected Drive upgrades are activated automatically. Check the product details of your booked feature for its activation specifics. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. Set a highlight. Customize your car with the original crystal door pins and add a touch of luxury to your BMW. 2 crystal door pins are included per package. To install them, make sure the door pins are clean. Enclose the old pin with the grip tape and pull it out with some pliers. In with the new. When pressing in the new door pin, operate the door opener to create counter pressure. Make sure the door pin is pressed in far enough when the car is locked. All around shiny. Repeat this for all doors. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. Pump it up! The digital tyre diagnosis for your BMW keeps you up to date about your tyre condition. If your car has BMW original equipment tyres, their details, like model and dimensions, are saved in your vehicle data. Once you've added your car to your BMW ID and your My BMW app, in the vehicle status, select Check Status and Check Control Messages. This shows you the current inflation pressure of each tyre and additionally the recommended tyre pressure based on your vehicle and tyre type. Select Tyres at the bottom for more details. Full control. Under Check Control Messages and under Services, you see a notification if tyre pressure is low or if service is required, like in the case of gradual inflation pressure loss due to tyre damage, or if tyres approach the suggested wear replacement limit. The system predicts the remaining distance until the tyres reach the minimum tread depth recommended by BMW. Always at your service. Make sure tyre data is also part of your BMW teleservices information by going to System Settings, Data Privacy, and activating all services including analysis. This way your preferred BMW service partner, connected to your BMW ID, is automatically informed about service requirements for your tyres, so you can easily schedule a service appointment online directly in your My BMW app. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. For opening and closing time, discover the new electrically driven doors for your BMW 7 or BMW i7, with several ways to open or close the doors hands-free. Here's one. Simply press the button on the outside door handle. Quickly make room for the door to open, as it will stop for any obstacle. Or configure the hash button on your vehicle key to open and close doors. Go to Doors and Windows, Automatic Doors. Open the settings. Click on Key Button Assignment and choose which doors should be opened or closed by pressing and holding the button. Closing the doors is just as easy. Press the door button on the interaction bar for the front doors, or the button above the touch command to open or close the rear doors. The Doors and Windows menu can be quickly accessed via the button in the driver's door. If one or more doors are open, the Direct Close button is shown in Automatic Doors. Alternatively, open the menu to open or close any door. Tap again to stop the door's movement if necessary. The driver door can be closed just by pressing the brake pedal. Make sure to activate the function in the settings. Speak up! Your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant can also close doors for you.
Hey BMW, close all doors.
Should I close all doors?
Yes.
I will do that now.
And of course you can still handle your doors the old-fashioned way, by pressing the button in the door handles from the outside, or by pressing the door opener underneath the armrest from the inside. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. Great entrance! The safety features for the electrically driven doors of your BMW 7 or BMW i7 may protect you, your BMW, and others. The doors open only completely if the way is clear. The sensors can recognize objects up to the window frame and to a distance of 1 meter away from the door. If there is, for example, another vehicle door close by, the door stops with a certain distance left to the other car. The indicators in the doors menu switch from yellow for a detected obstacle to red when the doors are stopped in their motion. Put in a saving hand just in case, as some smaller parts or other car doors at certain angles, for example, may not be recognized. A closing door may be stopped in its motion if, for example, the suitcase is blocking it. Red flashing lights inform you when the safety stop intervenes. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. Don't drink and drive. The BMW original accessory alcohol interlock device ensures traffic safety by controlling the electronic immobilizer of your BMW. Available for vehicles produced from July 2022 on, based on an alcohol breath test for the driver. The BMW alcohol interlock device can be installed and programmed by your BMW service partner. For example, if required by regulation, or just to make sure your children drive safely. When you press the start-stop button in a BMW installed with the alcohol interlock system, the cluster reminds you to conduct an alcohol breath test in order to be able to start the car. Take one of the enclosed sterile mouthpieces from the packaging and fit it onto the alcohol interlock device. Exhale sustainedly into the mouthpiece until you hear the clicking sound twice from the device. Check the test result. All good? If so, the electronic immobilizer is released, so the car can be started within a specific short period of time. Need a break? The system provides a free start period after switching off the car for 30 minutes. For example, if you need to make a quick stop, so you can start the car without an additional alcohol test. If the test result is not all right, the system blocks the starting of the engine for 2 minutes until you are able to redo the test. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. What do you need? The BMW 7 or i7 with automatic doors, an active BMW Digital Key Plus, and your My BMW app. What can you do? Tap the remote control to open all doors, close them, or control one at a time. Safety first. They only move as long as you hold the button. Alexa, start sheer driving pleasure. With the Amazon Alexa car integration in your BMW with BMW Operating System 8 built from November 2022 or newer. Here's how to set up Alexa. Log in with your BMW ID. Go to Apps and click on Alexa. Scan the QR code with your smartphone camera. And log in with your Amazon credentials. Now choose if you want Alexa to be activated by long pressing the microphone button. If so, press the button for a moment and talk to Alexa. No activation word needed.
Do I need an umbrella today?
No rain is expected tonight.
Or say the activation word to use Alexa just like at home.
Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
There is one event in progress. Alexa car integration how to shoot is an all-day event.
If you want to switch Alexa off, go to the Alexa app to deactivate the activation word and the long press function. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. A fresh touch. The intelligent automatic climate control in BMW Operating System 9 offers intuitive touch control. Set your desired temperature simply by pressing plus or minus at the bottom of the control display. Tap the symbol in the temperature control to quickly activate or deactivate seat heating and cooling, or steering wheel heating, depending on the equipment. Full control. Tap the fan symbol in the menu to enter climate settings. Here you see how the system works, with relevant functions in direct access. Auto mode regulates the interior temperature intelligently for the driver's and the passenger's side, if there's a passenger with you. With Sync, you control the temperature in both front seat zones together. Adjust the airflow by tapping the small or big fan symbols. Press Auto for manual mode and vice versa. Click on the airstreams to activate or deactivate airflow in the sections and set it by pushing the up-down arrows repeatedly. Press AC to turn the air conditioning on or off while ventilation stays on. Cool feature. Pressing max AC automatically sets all ventilation functions to the max and the AC to the lowest possible temperature. The car symbol on the left lets you choose between 3 modes of air circulation or fresh air intake from outside. Have it your way. Press the personal settings symbol in the corner for general climate control settings, or individual preferences for the automatic seat and steering wheel heating. Here you also find your personal settings for pre-climatizing your BMW's interior for departure. Use the arrow or the menu dock fan symbol to get back to the climate menu. No climate control needed, just tap the power symbol to turn off all climate functions. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. Sheer premium driving pleasure. Enjoy your digital experience to the fullest by activating BMW Digital Premium in your BMW with operating system 9. The monthly or yearly payment plan enhances your car's navigation, entertainment, and personalization range. Try it. The first time a user logs in a new BMW with operating system 9, a trial is automatically activated. Click More Information for all details. With BMW Digital Premium, you can enhance your BMW Maps navigation. You can also access many third-party apps for music, entertainment, games, news, and more. In Music and Audio, download your favorite streaming app, or get some games to play while standing still. One for all. Activated BMW Digital Premium functions are available for all users of the car. In the Connected Drive store, you can check the remaining time of your trial period. If your trial ends in less than 14 days, simply book a subscription by scanning the QR code. Next, continue in the My BMW app. Get the full digital premium experience and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW. Stay in touch. The new BMW Operating System 9 offers intuitive touch control on the BMW Curve display. Set the stage. Swipe inwards from the right to configure the home background. Select My Modes or the map view of the BMW navigation system. Scroll through the widgets on the side to see all features like Intelligent Personal Assistant, radio, telephone functions, media, navigation, car information, as well as date and time. Swipe right and left on the widget for more content and direct access to the most important features. Tap a widget to enter its menu. Always there for you, the menu dock at the bottom leads to all apps, back to home, or the climate menu. Press plus or minus to adjust the temperature for the automatic intelligent climate control. Tap the symbol in the temperature control to set seat or steering wheel heating. Swiping down from the top opens your personal tool belt for menu shortcuts and favorite functions. No climate control needed or want to preserve electric driving energy? Tap the power symbol to turn all climate functions off. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.